Hello and welcome to my Oasis affiliate marketing program, or should I better say Golden Link Lifestyle. Andrew James and Stephen Esposito did create a course that is quite hard to find online. I mean, really hard to find. What was first called 14 Days to Freedom, later Golden Link Lifestyle, and now Oasis Affiliate Marketing or Elevated Entrepreneurs has some websites not working, and it could be mission to even find the program entry point. However, these people behind it claim you can gain financial, time, and location freedom. Let me show you if this program can deliver it. So, what is Oasis Affiliate Marketing Program? It is a high ticket affiliate marketing slash lead generation program. How does it work? First of all, you will need to enter your email to one of the landing pages, as for example here. You can see it. You will press access the free masterclass and then give your email. Then there will be screen with the webinar. This webinar is actually more than 1 hour long, as you can see, almost 2 hours, 1 hour and 47 minutes. And Andrew will actually be at some point behind or on a balcony overlooking some skyscrapers in, as I guess it, according to watching Pablo Escobar Netflix series, Colombia. However, if you hope to find out what this program is going to be about, you will be disappointed. All Andrew is talking about is how you should aim for the financial, time, and the location freedom. But I mean, isn't that right? Isn't that obvious already that you are searching? I mean, isn't that obvious you are searching for it? Otherwise, you would not find his place. Otherwise, you will not find his program in the first place, right? However, um, after the webinar finishes, someone from his team will call you to check if you are a good fit to work with them. And this I can show you from the other webinar, actually over here.
They had money, and one of them had way more money than they had time, right? But they both wanted the same thing, which was freedom. So on the call, we're going to diagnose, where are you at currently? And then based on where you're at and what you have access to or what you don't have access to, right? We're going to come up with a custom game plan on the best way to approach this business. Do we need to do free marketing strategies that maybe take more time, but they're free? Do we need to do paid marketing strategies, which cost some money, but they're highly automated? Whatever it may be, we'll come up with a custom game plan for you.
You see, so what is actually happening here is that Andrew James and his team is going to determine how much money you should be spending on this strategy. I mean, this is really not a joke. This guy is going to put himself as kind of know-it-all guy who can help you to figure it out what is best for you. However, I had to pay around $2,800 when I first joined this and was willing to listen what they're going to tell me in the sales call. So the entry point can be different for everyone. Anyway, what I missed from the call is that the guy who are you or the girl you are going to be on the call with is not going to tell you what exactly you will be doing. There is just kind of walk information, what approximately, which I find really disturbing. The biggest task will be to collecting leads, and they can actually transfer to the leads into paying customers, and then you will make the commission. I don't know how about you, but I think it reminds a bit of a pyramid scheme. But let us proceed further. So, what are the pros and cons of this strategy? You see, I really don't see any pros. I know affiliate marketing, I know the lead generation, but I know that there are programs which are going to teach you this at much lower entry price. And as someone who will join this program, and there will be not clear explanation what I'm going to do, what I'm going to be selling, I just don't see any pros from this strategy. However, let us go to cons. The first one is unsure results, right? I mean, there is not enough testimonials online and reviews proving that the strategy or this program is working. More to that, if you go to Facebook, Golden Link Lifestyle, you see some kind of two girls over there, which already put me also into thinking like, oh, wait a minute, is this real? If you go and click on the picture, you see that later on there is also Andrew James somewhere on this, as here the second picture. However, it just seems to me a little bit shady. Second reason why I wouldn't consider joining this is the high cost, right? As I said, in my case, $2,800, but I heard people that they were asked to pay $5,000. So in fact, it ranges anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 just as an entry point. And again, if you don't see any strategy or if you don't see any guarantee that there will be success, I just think this money is too high to invest. And last one, what I really find very disturbing is no upfront information about what you will learn and what you will do, right? As I explained in the lines above, people behind this program are not upfront about the strategy, the form and the products you should be selling. That's just very shady to me. Why the hell would you join a program where the owner is not able to tell you what you will be selling, right? That's almost like throwing money out of the window, or not? And trust me, there are really other legit platforms who are going to be with you upfront and show you, okay, what is the strategy behind it? It's going to be clear for you from the moment you step in or you enter the platform, what you are going to be doing, what you are going to be learning, and what you are going to be selling. So, coming to the last point, do I recommend Oasis affiliate marketing? No, I don't, simply because of the reasons I already said. Firstly, there are not enough reviews that this one works. Secondly, there isn't guaranteed that after paying more or around $3,000, you will be making sales, right? So that means there is a high chance you will just lose this initial investment you will make. And what I found also very disturbing is that you will not be able to control this kind of sales because there will be sales team put in place who is going to do this for you. And lastly, Andrew James is just hard to find online. You see, if you go into search online for Oasis affiliate marketing or Andrew James itself, you always come to this website, or you will find, and after that you will, after you put them email, you will get this webinar, and there is another website which is also showing actually another type of webinar, but that's it. There is also a website related to this program called www.highaffiliateticket.com, and this website is not working. When I wrote my first review in 2021, it was the website where the all center would happen, well, all things would happen, where you just need to go there, but now this website is not working. So, in my opinion, that can be very tricky as well. You see, Andrew James and people around this Oasis program, they try to create this idea of exclusivity, this idea of low competition, because it's this closed up community. But from my own experience, I know that these closed up communities are not working well. First of all, high ticket entry point, as well as in the Oasis, the other programs are, for example, the Six Figures, mentors.com. And then secondly, if you want to do something else and if you want to go your own way, you are not able to. Here in Oasis, they go even a step further and they basically don't let you participate on this strategy, right? They will have their own sales team who is going to do the sales for you. What can sound like great stuff that you're going to save time, you just don't have any actual influence on how and what to do. This is really the picture where this kind of almost the guru, Andrew James, put himself in Colombia trying to sell his dream, or better, an idea or an illusion of a dream. And in my opinion, you are better off spending this money elsewhere. For instance, down payment for your house, right? Because if it is 5K or 10K, that's almost the same price like down payment for a house. So what to do instead? Let me put it that way. How you would feel as, rather than paying thousands of dollars for a program that can't guarantee to teach you how to create an online income, you could join a program that costs you a fraction of it. If you like this, then I would like to invite you to join the platform I am a member of. The link is in the description of this video and you can join for free. And if you like it, then you can become a premium member. And again, the price you will pay is a fraction of these initial costs for Oasis affiliate marketing program. The best part of this training platform is that you will learn actual skills that can bring you sustainable online income, and you will be fully in charge of how you're going to learn and how you're going to apply those skills. In other words, you will not be dependent on someone else and his skills. If this all sounds like something you would be like to part of, then join by clicking the link below in this video. I hope you liked this review, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, and until next time, cheers.